Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be taking a look at how to create a blog post using Tumblr. So we are here right now in our Tumblr account. If you haven't already created an account, then go ahead and create one. And then as soon as you have logged in, then you will be presented with the dashboard right here, or our current feed. And as you can see here, this is the information on our account. So I have created a blog post and I have called it Culinary Adventures right here. Now let's go ahead and show you how we can make a few changes into this. Now let's go ahead and go into the gear icon right here. And you can see here, this would be the name of our account. So if we go ahead and explore as to what you can do with that. Again, your blog post is entirely up to you if you want to tailor towards a specific niche or passion that you have. Go ahead and explore with that. Now what I'm going to show you is if we go down right here, we can go ahead and see that this would be the name of the website, the custom website that we have. So this will be depending on your username, or if you have a particular Tumblr domain, you can go ahead and use that. In default, this custom theme was turned off, but if you want to create or edit your own theme, you can go ahead and edit that. So all you need to do is to turn this on, and then we can go ahead and click edit theme. And now, as you can see, this is what my blog post website looks like. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put this back into the official Tumblr so that we can see how we can adjust this as we want. But if we just take a look at what we have here, we have the appearance options right here. So we can make, again, changes as to what you want for this. If you want to change the title of your blog post or your blog website, you can go ahead and do that. So say Culinary Adventures and Pies or something like that. You can see that it is automatically changing or editing everything out. You can go ahead and add a description into this. So the description that I have put is a blog post dedicated to exploring the world of food and cooking and even pies. And then, as you can see, it is adjusting this once again. Now you can go ahead and play around with the theme itself. You can change, say for example, the avatar right here. All you need to do is just click this, and this will then allow you to upload your own personal avatar or icon. You can change the shape if you want. You can change the fonts. You can change the background color right here. Really up to you. You can change the title color. So everything is very customizable. You can change the color accents, and then you have these options as well to turn on or toggle on and off these additional options. So go ahead and just play around with them. So as you can see, I can remove the title, I can remove the description right there. And then we also have the open graph options. So with the open graph options, essentially, if your post or your blog post or even your website was shared to a social media, say for example Twitter or Facebook, what does that look like, or what is the content that we want to see in there? So of course, at default, this was set as untitled. So go ahead and adjust this, because if someone shares this, you don't really want them to just be seeing untitled. You'd want them to be seeing your blog post's title itself. And then of course, adding a description does help as well with this. You can go ahead and add in some URL handling as well. And then here in the theme options, you have the chance to add in some more additional things. But these also depends on the kind of theme that you're using. So let me show you what I mean by that. So at the moment, this is what our website or our web page looks like. But if we scroll up here and then change our themes. So I'm just gonna browse here, and then of course some themes are not free, or on a premium state you will need to pay for them. Go ahead and choose which one you would like. I'm gonna go take a look at some free themes right here, and then just select one. So say for example, if we click on this, we can automatically see what this would look like right here. Again, just all entirely up to you. As you can see, it's all here, it's all amazing. And then let's say for example that we like this theme. Let's go ahead and click use. Now if you scroll down, you can see that there are more additional options that we have generated. This is because these are all theme specific. So go ahead and explore in terms of all of this. Now I'm going to be removing this because I want to show generating a page looks like. So imagine this is our front page or dash page right now. But if you want to add the page, just go ahead and click add page. Then if we go back up here, we could add information into it. So say for example, this will be a about page. So let's change the URL to about. What is the title? Well, let's just say it's an about page, and then this content is about. There you go. But if you want to be able to have access to this, then what you need to do is you need to toggle this in so you can have a link to this page. So let's go ahead and toggle this right here, and then let's click update preview, and now you should be able to see that this about page is now generated right here as well. So let's go ahead and click save, and as you can see, it has become one of the available links to this right now. And there you go. So again, depending on the themes that you have, then you will have some unlocked options, or you can have some hidden options as well. So let me just quickly change this into this one right here, and then use. Again, it is all entirely up to you. And as you can see here with the themes itself, we have the chance to update everything and make changes to everything. If we have some captions, we can go ahead and do all of this. So go ahead and play around with this. And you saw as well the about option right here is gone. So again, explore everything as you normally would. And one of the things that I also want to share to you is that once that we have our item set up, how do we actually create a post? So let's go ahead and click save on this. Let me show you how to do that. Now that we are back to our settings right here, what I want you to do is to go up here and then click on this pencil icon right here, and then all of these 7 items will pop up. So these can be adding a text, a photo, a quote, a link, a chat, an audio or a podcast or a video. So usually for a blog post it would be text or a photo itself, but let's just create a text blog post itself. So let's go ahead and create a title. This is my second blog, and then go ahead and put anything, the never ending repeats and repeats and repeats again. I mean, it doesn't have to make sense. It is all entirely up to you. It's your blog post. You can go ahead and post whatever you want. So let's say, we have our title, we have like our main catchphrase or something like that. And then we have the main content. So let's just say, I don't know, this blog post is nonsense. There you go. But pies are the best. Go ahead and add tags into this. Let's say hashtag pies right here, and then there are some more here options if you want. And then again, you also have the chance to add a photo, a GIF, or a link, audio. Again, it's all entirely up to you. You can then start to select if what kind of availability or viewership is this targeted towards. So this can be for everyone, or it can be all of these mature versions as well. And then you can go ahead and choose when to post this. So you can either post this now, add it to a queue, save it as a draft. You can post this privately or even schedule it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just post this right now. And if we take a look at our website, so it will be this one right here. Let's click on a view website. As you can see, it has updated our website, and this was our first post, and now this is our second post generated. So our blog post has been generated itself. And then if we were to take a look at it on our Tumblr, you can see that it is right here as well. So there is two ways that people can view your item. So it can be either through Tumblr itself or through your Tumblr website page itself right here. Again, your themes are highly customizable. Everything works really well. It's all whatever you can think of. Just choose whichever themes that you want to use, and then go ahead and start writing them out. Now, if you have any questions, don't forget to add a comment down below. We could go ahead and create a video as to, how else we can navigate in our webpage, or what else we can do in terms of posting. If you're interested in that, then just go ahead and leave a comment down below. But I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time.